Tired of exporting all your organizations from Pipedrive when you only need a handful? I know that feeling. You scroll through hundreds of entries just to get the few you actually want. Well, today, we are going to fix that. In under 5 minutes, you will learn exactly how to export only the filtered results you need, saving you time and frustration. So here is the plan. First, we will apply a filter to narrow down your list to just the organizations you care about. Then, I will walk you through the export settings so you can download that clean, specific data with confidence. All right, let us start by opening up Pipedrive. Go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you are on the main dashboard. Now, from the left sidebar, you want to click on Contacts. This is where Pipedrive keeps all your people and company information. You will see a few options here. Under Contacts, click on Organizations. This will bring up your full list of every organization in your account. And here is the thing. We want to give it a moment to fully load. It might take just a couple of seconds, especially if you have a large database. Let that page settle. So now, the really useful part. If you need specific data, now is the time to apply a filter. Up at the top of the organizations list, you will see a filter button. Click it. You can choose from existing filters you have saved, or you can create a new one on the fly. For example, you might filter by status, like active or won, or by a specific owner or tag. This narrows everything down, so you are only looking at the organizations that matter to your current project. This step is where the real power is, because we are isolating exactly what we need before we even touch the export button. Once your filter is applied and you can see that refined list in front of you, look to the top right corner of the Organizations page. You will see a small icon with 3 dots, often called the 3-dot menu or the overflow menu. Click on that. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Export Filter Results. Notice how it specifically says Filter Results, not just a generic export. This is the key that makes everything work. By choosing this option, you are telling Pipedrive, export only what I have narrowed down, not the entire list. The Export Data page will open up in a new window. Give it just a second to load. This is where you review your settings, and this part is worth paying close attention to. You will see options for which fields to include in your export. You can choose all fields, or you can be selective. In my experience, picking a few core fields like name, owner, and email gives you a cleaner spreadsheet without all the clutter. You can also choose the file format, typically CSV or XLSX. CSV is great for importing into other tools, while Excel format is handy if you want to keep the formatting. And here is a practical tip. Double-check that your filter is still mentioned here. If you see the filter name or notice that the count of organizations looks smaller than your full list, you are in good shape. This confirms it is only exporting what you filtered. Now, when you are happy with your settings, click the Export button. A download will start. Depending on how many organizations you are exporting, this might take a moment to process. You will likely receive an email from Pipedrive when your file is ready, or it may download directly to your computer. And just like that, you have your data. No more digging through hundreds of unnecessary entries. You now know exactly how to apply a filter and export only the results you need. Give it a try on your own account, and you will see just how much time this saves. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!